Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhvi, founder of Celebrity Secrets. We at Celebrity Secrets believes beauty isn't just about looks. It's about feeling confident in your skin. Today, I will share the incredible benefits of our biostem cell therapy for skincare, a natural treatment that uses your body's own cells to renew and rejuvenate your skin. Our therapy begins with natural rejuvenation. It gently awakens your skin's potential using biostem cells to refresh and revitalize every layer for healthy, natural glow. Imagine enjoying the benefits of youthful skin for up to 18 months. Our treatment offers long-lasting results, so you can maintain that vibrant, refreshed look for a significant period after each session. Next, it boosts your collagen levels. This means firmer, smoother skin that not only looks revitalized but also feels incredibly healthy and strong. If you're looking for something organic, this is the place because our treatment is completely safe and non-toxic, using only pure natural components without any synthetic fillers, ensuring your skin is cared for the way nature intended. We also work on softening those fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin with a refreshed, rejuvenated look. The result is a smoother texture that highlights your natural radiance. And since every skin is unique, we design your treatment just for you. Together, we will create a personalized plan that addresses your individual concerns, ensuring your skin feels truly pampered and cared for. While all these treatments are amazing, let's not forget the basics. Always use a good sunscreen, follow a good skincare routine, and consult a trusted esthetician or skincare consultant to find the right solution for your skin. At Celebrity Secrets, we combine nature, science, and artistry through our innovative biostem cell therapy to naturally restore your skin's vitality. If you're seeing a gentle, organic approach to rejuvenation and a bright complexion, let's work together to bring back your skin's natural radiance. Trust and experience and book your consultation today at Celebrity Secrets.